So friends, it's Hastech. Always access granted. Upon a huge request, I am back with another clone video. That is, it's the JBL Xtreme clone. It is actually the mini version of the actual. So let's get upon the unboxing of this device very fast. So here we get a box without a JBL logo on the box. Xtreme. The actual Xtreme speaker is not such small. It is as twice as this one. In the box we get a AUX cable, the speaker, and a holding or a carrying belt of the speaker, which is of good quality, and the speaker also looks really sturdy, and a manual as well as a micro USB cable, of course of a cheaper quality. And here is our main speaker. So let's see this speaker. And this is the cable which we can attach it to our speaker. And this looks really tough. As I mentioned earlier, the size of the speaker is really small, and this is not the actual Xtreme. It is not the 1:1 replica of the speaker. The actual one is really very big than this. This is just like the Charge 3 Plus speaker when we talk about its size. This is the physical overview of the speaker. The JBL logo, Bluetooth, power, JBL Connect, volume up and down button, and all the sockets are given packed. This speaker is definitely splash proof because its protection makes it splash proof. Let's open the chain, and in the chain we see or I should say two USB ports, a AUX port, a micro SD card slot. Let's light it up to see it very well. As I told you, two USB ports, a AUX cable as well as a micro USB charging socket, and a memory card slot. Let's power it up. On a single click we get its battery indication, and on a long press the speaker turns on. Let's connect it to our Android device. This speaker works well with iOS as well as Android, and even Symbian or ColorOS phones. Yeah, let's connect it. Yeah, the device is now connected. Let's play some high bass songs on this device, and before doing that, let's check its build quality of the bass. These are really fluffy and feels really good. They feel simply amazing. Let's fire some stuff. High bass song. Yeah, it is extremely good. The Xtreme speaker has extreme bass. It vibrates really well. It gives you a good feeling to yourself when it vibrates. It feels so good. Now let's change its position. Just look at that bass. The major pro of this device is that it's got a good vibration and the bass as well. Time to put some stuff in its bass. It's a 2-pin jack. Let's see how it vibrates and make noise. Oh, it's really good. It's simply dancing. I simply liked it. The speaker is really a good device to play. The vibration is really very much. A rubber as well as a jack. At the end of the day, pros and cons are always worth it. So let's move towards the pro of this device. The main pro of this device is that it only takes around 1.5 hours to 2 hours to charge fully from 0%, and its playback time is up to 5 hours at full volume and 6 to 7 hours at normal volume. And the bass or the vibration we say is simply amazing or great at around 2 to 3,000 rupees. And another pro of this device is that you can play songs from two devices simultaneously, just like a DJ. And the holding belt is also really very useful thing. And as every clone supports pen drives, micro SD cards, AUX, this one also do. And it is also splash proof from water, as its build quality tells us, and the build quality is really good. But without cons, the video can't be end. So some of the cons of this device is that it is actually the clone of a original speaker, which is itself a con. And there are also many other cons of this device, but for its price point for around 2 to 3,000 and the thing that it is a clone, I can't actually complain much, because it gives you the feel of an actual JBL Xtreme in a smaller version. So it is definitely worth it buying it if you are getting this device for around 2,000 to 3,000, as this device is only available in local shops and not online. The same product. So this video was possible by Mr. Piyush, so I would like to thank him for giving his speaker to me to review this thing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, comment, share with all your friends who want to get a JBL Xtreme first copy or are even thinking of it. Don't forget to subscribe, it's free. And thanks for watching.